Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. Are you know that why downloading speed is slow on your client side? Because there is a different factor. If you check it and change this setting accordingly, then you will get a desired result. One of the most important is your bandwidth. If you have a good bandwidth, you will get a good download result. And the second one is I am stopping this downloading first of all from download. And the second one, as you can see, you have to check it your uTorrent client or BitTorrent when you are using must be allowed from your window firewall. You can allow from here and then apply these changes as I am changing. Okay, this setting will be done. Now I am closing, and again I will you can find this setting on firewall setting of your window in this menu, so you have to check it and then change from here. Now I am going to uTorrent setting. As you can see in preferences, these three menu will be remain same, and in direct setting you can also change some setting, but the important setting is in a connection setting. So you have to change it as a random port, because if there is any port which is blocked from proxy, then you have to change it. And then you have to check this UPnP and also enable net, and then apply and then okay. This menu of setting will be completed, and then you have go to a bandwidth setting, and this is setting almost important in all client if you are using uTorrent, BitTorrent or any other torrenting software. So you have to change this accordingly as I am changing here. So first of all, as you can see, you have to change this all value as I am changing here. So this value will be 2330, and then you have to change also the second value up to 250 as I am changing here. And then this value will be depend on your setting. If you will keep it at or 16, or you maybe change it up to 24. So this setting you have must remember and also change accordingly in your client side. So this is changing will be made, and then apply and then okay. The next menu, as you can see, is BitTorrent. So you have just to enable this one, as you can see here, and also check this checkbox and then apply. I have already applied. And next, the queue setting is one of the most important setting, and this is setting will be done for your other downloading file, just like as you have queued in your client side. So you have to change it accordingly as I am changing here. And then you have go to this next menu as the seeding global value is 0, because 0 is for unlimited, and then you have to change also this value accordingly as I am changing. So this value will be also done, and then the last value will be changed up to 0, and setting will be done, and then apply and then okay. So this menu is also completed. As you can see, I will apply okay. As you can see, I have stopped this downloading from download, and then you have to click this file and go to setting, and from here you have get it up to unlimited. The bandwidth will be changed, and next is a high setting will be selected, and then you have go to this menu. As you can see, I have applied, and upload speed will be decreased up to 10 kbps. So this one is also done. As you can see, now one of the most important setting that you have not updated tracker, as I am closing this. So first of all, you have to open this from your start menu, and then you have go to this menu and check and verify, and then apply and then okay. So as you can see, I have changed it, and then you have again cross check this one. So all setting is done. Now I am starting this download for downloading. As you can see, the file is started with highest speed, and it will increasing depending on your bandwidth. If you have a good bandwidth, then you will get a desired results. So this speed is continuously increasing. In my case, it will be go to 1.2 and 1.3 mbps because our download speed will be same. So if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.